Today's topic is chemical reactions. This topic is useful for CTT exams, TET exams, and also for 11, 12 science students and other competitive exams also. Now, chemical reactions. This topic includes the properties of chemical reactions, then different types of uses of chemical reactions, then types of chemical reactions. Now, first one is the properties of chemical reactions. Properties of chemical reactions. You know that the states of matter is classified into the three types generally, that are the solid, liquid, and gases. And the fourth state of matter is also, that is the plasma. Solid, liquid, gases. And the fourth state is the plasma. This is also the state of matter. The state of matter is identified according to the different type of chemical reactions. So, which are the properties of chemical reactions? Now, second is the exothermic and endothermic reactions. Exothermic, endothermic. Exothermic means the energy is released in particular reaction, and endothermic reaction energy is a gain. Then third one is the electrons, property of electrons. Here, the sharing of electrons or the gaining of electrons means to gain the electron or to accept the electrons. Both properties or both these are the properties are seen in different type of chemical reactions also. Here the properties include the state of matter, then type of chemical reactions, type of electrons, then sharing of different substances. Different substances means here reactants and products that are combined with each other, and there is a formation of also new products. Starting products are the reactants, and there is a formation of new products also. This is also the property of chemical reactions. So you should remember all these properties of chemical reactions. For solving the different chemical reactions, formulas are also important. Write down these formulas one by one. And means first one is the Pb. Pb means lead. Then Zn is the zinc. Hg is the mercury. Mg is for magnesium. Cl for chlorine. Ozone. Remember this molecular formula of ozone, that is the O3. Then HCl is the hydrochloric acid. H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Then KBr is the potassium bromide. K2Cr2O7. This is the potassium dichromate. K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate. Then KCl potassium chloride. KOH. When hydroxyl group is attached here, then the compound is formed, that is the potassium hydroxide. NaOH, that is the sodium hydroxide. NaCl sodium chloride. Then HBr hydrogen bromide. HF hydrogen chloride. These are the halide group of elements. Chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. These are, when they are attached to the another groups, then there is a formation of another compound. Then other formulas are CS3 COOH. This is the formula of acetic acid. C6H6. This is the benzene. CH4 is the methane. Methyl group. And this methane is attached with hydroxyl group. There is a formation of methyl alcohol. Then C2H5 is the ethyl alcohol. Then H3PO4, this is the hydrophosphoric acid. H2CO3, this is the hydrocarbonic acid. Remember all these formulas that are useful for solving the different type of chemical reactions. Now these chemical reactions are classified into the 5 main types. First one is the combination reaction. Combination reaction is the first reaction. Here two products are combined with each other. Here, firstly you should remember what are the reactants, what are the products. Reactants are the starting products, and the starting material, and products are the new material that is formed in particular chemical reaction. So combination reaction here, CaO is a react with H2O and there is a formation of CaOH twice plus H2. This is the exothermic reaction. Hydrogen is released, heat is released in this reaction. A calcium hydroxide is formed here. This is the combination reaction. Another example of this reaction is the cellular respiration. Cellular respiration. Cell organelles like the mitochondria. Mitochondria, this is the structure of mitochondria. Means electron transfer system is present in mitochondria. Means that are called as energy molecules. Mitochondria are called as energy molecules, and the particular reaction is opposite that. Here the ATP molecules, adenosine triphosphate molecules. Full form of ATP is the adenosine triphosphate molecule. This is formed here, and these are responsible for energy formation. So in cellular respiration, here is a burning of glucose is occurs, and formation of energy and CO2 and water molecules. This is also exothermic reaction. So here remember the examples of combination reaction and the definition of combination reaction also. Now second is the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Here breaking of material is occurs and there is a formation of two or more products are formed. Now in first reaction calcium hydroxide is formed here. Here breaking and there is a formation of H2 molecule. So this reaction is occurs. Calcium oxide is also formed, it is called as lime, and hydrogen is also formed in this reaction. This is the decomposition reaction. And another example is the Na2CO3, that is a sodium carbonate, and it forms, that is a NaO. Sodium oxide is formed here, and one CO2 molecule is also formed in decomposition reactions. Here only remember that there is a decomposition of material, or there is a breaking down of material is occurs, and there is a formation of new products. Then third one is the important type is the displacement reaction. Third type is the displacement reaction. What is a displacement of which occurs means highly reactive metals that are displaced into the less reactive elements. This is the definition of displacement reaction. So which are the examples of displacement reaction? Now first one is the Mg, that is react with twice HCl molecule, and there is a formation of MgCl2, and hydrogen is also released in this reaction, that is a displacement reaction. Then second one is the Pb. What is Pb? Pb is the molecular formula of lead. Then Pb is react with cuprous copper chloride, and there is a formation of PbCl2. Lead chloride is formed here, and copper. Then third example is the Zn. Zn is react with CuSO4. CuSO4 means copper sulfate. Zinc is react with copper sulfate, and there is a formation of ZnSO4, that is the zinc sulfate and copper. These products, these are the three examples of displacement reaction. First one is the Mg, that is magnesium is react with HCl molecule, there is a formation of magnesium chloride. Then in second, Pb lead is react with copper chloride, and there is a formation of lead chloride and copper. Then third one is the zinc sulfate is react with the copper sulfate, and formation of zinc sulfate and copper also. This is the displacement reaction. Now fourth one is the double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. This is the fourth type of chemical reaction. Now, what is meant by double displacement reaction? Here is the interchanging of compounds of different type of metals. Metal compounds means the interchanging of metal compounds is occurs here, and there is a formation of new salts. That is a double displacement reaction. So, which are the examples of this reaction? Now, first one is a ferrous chloride. Ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate. This is the react with HCl molecule. Twice HCl. There is a formation of FeCl2 plus H2S. Means hydrogen sulfide is formed here, and ferric chloride is a form in combination of ferrous sulfate plus this is react with hydrochloric acid. Then second one example is the AgNO3 plus NaCl. NaCl is the sodium chloride. Then AgNO3 means the silver nitrate. Silver nitrate is react with sodium chloride, and there is a formation of AgCl, silver chloride plus NaNO3. NaNO3 is the sodium nitrate. You should remember the names of different chemical formulas also. So these are the two reactions of double displacement reaction. Two examples of double displacement reaction. Now fifth one is the most important reaction, that is the oxidation reduction reaction. Fifth type is the oxidation reduction reaction. This oxidation reduction reaction, it is also called as a redox reaction. Redox reaction. Remember this word, redox reaction. Why it is called as redox reaction? Because what is oxidation? Oxidation means there is addition of oxygen molecule, and reduction means removal of oxygen molecules, and vice versa. Addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Here removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. These two processes are occurs alternately or vice versa in this reaction. That is the oxidation reduction reaction. It is also called as redox reaction. So, which are the examples of these reactions in our daily life? That is the photosynthesis. Take down these words or the examples. Photosynthesis. Then second one is the respiration. In respiration, different glycolysis reactions, Krebs cycles that are used here. Then third one is the rusting of iron. Rusting of iron. Then fourth one is the combustion. Combustion of coal. Combustion of which substances, that are the coal, oil, gasoline, and the energies are produced in that particular reaction. Combustion of coal. Then rancidity is also the example of these reactions. Rancidity. Rancidity of oil substances. These are opposite. So remember these 5 examples of redox reaction. First one is the photosynthesis, respiration, rusting of ions, combustion, and the rancidity of oil. So these are the main types of chemical reactions. Now first one is a combination reaction. Second is the decomposition reaction. Third is a displacement. Fourth is a double displacement. And the fifth one is the oxidation reduction reaction. Their definitions are important, and examples of particular reactions are also important, because examples are different in each reaction. Now you should remember the chemical formulas, then properties of chemical reactions, types of different type of chemical reactions, then what are the uses of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions in our daily life, different type of that are the activities are occurring in our body. Some of the digestive enzymes that are secreted by endocrine glands in your body, and they perform the most important role in metabolic processes, that are the catabolism, then anabolism. These are the energy based chemical reactions that are also occurring in our body. Then another uses of these chemical reactions is the formation of different type of food substances. Food substances, different pharmaceutical products are also formed that are based on these chemical reactions. Then also in criminal cases, Identification of tissues and blood samples. These are identified on the basis of different chemical reactions. Then in space research, identify different type of planets. Planets identification is also based on chemical reactions. So all these are the uses of chemical reactions. Means biochemical reactions are plays important role in the form of enzymes, because enzymes and substrate that are combined to each other and there is a formation of enzyme substrate complex is formed. That is also chemical reactions. And generally all chemical reactions are occurring in presence of heat, catalyst. Heat is used as catalyst. Catalyst. This is the symbol of heat is indicated in just this way. Heat is used as catalyst. Catalyst. What are the functions of catalyst? Catalysts are useful for to enhance the rate of particular reactions. That are catalyst. Heat is used. Then some nickel is also used as catalyst. Nickel. Nickel powder is used as catalyst in the hydrogenation reaction. Hydrogenation reaction. So these are the uses of chemical reactions. When chemical reactions are occurs, temperature changes are also occurs, color changes are also seen. These are the some chemical changes or physical changes are also observed during the occurrence of chemical reactions.